don't take money off the table too early.
We have all heard the saying, cash is king. But what if I told you that focusing solely on cash in the short term could actually hinder your long-term growth and success? Let's dive in.
Build for value, not cash. It's something that I learned early on, not that I was taking money off the table, but that I'm a business. Every dollar that comes in, you want to reinvest right away. Pay yourself just enough to lead the life that you want to lead today so that you can get to the point where you're leading the life that you want to lead.
Picture this. You have launched your business and the money is starting to roll in. It's tempting to take that cash and run, right? After all, you have worked hard for it and you deserve to enjoy the fruits of your labor. But here's the thing. By taking money off the table too early, you are limiting your potential for future growth and success. I started my DJ services with less than $500. I invested in a controller, a software, and a platform to feed me with music. 2 years later, I generated over $10K while having a full-time job because I was reinvesting back my revenues into my business.
Especially if you're the business owner, if you're the equity creator, you're the one with the ownership. You have all the power. If you believe in what you're building, build for value, not for cash.
Building for value means taking a long-term approach to your business. Instead of focusing solely on short-term gains, you are investing in the future of your business. Every dollar that comes in is an opportunity to reinvest and build something bigger and better. It's about laying the groundwork for sustainable growth and creating lasting value for your customers and stakeholders. There were times when I was tempted to cash out early and enjoy the immediate rewards, honestly. But in my case, before starting any real business, I trained myself. While doing my engineering degree, I took some classes to train my entrepreneur's mindset. In those classes, supercharged with great conferences from successful entrepreneurs in tech, they were emphasizing on this important principle we are talking about. Reinvest your earnings in your business. I took it as a fundamental principle I have to follow. That's why I do my best to not cash out early. It's all about playing the long game. For me, transforming $100 into more than $10,000 while having a full-time job is an achievement. I wasn't expecting that when I was starting.
Do not be penny wise and pound foolish. A lot of people make that mistake. The value is going to be worth so much more down the line than cash today is going to get you.
Being penny wise and pound foolish is a trap that many entrepreneurs fall into. It's the idea of prioritizing short-term gains over long-term success. Sure, you might make a quick buck now, but at what cost? By sacrificing long-term value for immediate cash, you are ultimately short-changing yourself and your business. So, fellow entrepreneurs, let's make a pact today to build for value, not cash. Let's resist the temptation to take money off the table too early and instead reinvest in our businesses for the long-term gain. Remember, the true measure of success isn't just how much cash you have in the bank today, but the value you create for yourself and others over time. Now, watch this video to discover which is more profitable between real estate and affiliate marketing. I believe that there are so many people out there dreaming to own properties and build generational wealth, including me. But before taking any action, we need to be well informed, especially in today's world, aren't you? In this video, we unveiled the pros and cons of each model to help you identify the right path for you to take control of your life. See you in the next one.